Alright, bruh. Let me full screen this bitch. Hold on. Alright, bruh. We just got out fresh out the trade. If you can see over here, I got my shit spread wide open and shit started digging in my butt. All-time high markets, Monday, no news. All the elements are kind of working against me today. It's not, I didn't think the market was too bad today. I woke up to messages in the Discord and everyone was talking about, oh, do not trade today. Do not trade. Do not. We're an all-time high. No news Monday. Don't trade. I don't listen to that shit, dude. I'll take a fucking trade whenever I want, bruh. Although I was on the wrong side of the ball, I saw a break of structure right here. And I entered, low risk though. Hella low risk. I still lost a little bit more than I wanted to just for the fact that this wick went a little bit over. Pretty fucking fast move right there, and it slipped a little bit past my stop loss, so I lost like $20 more than I wanted to, which is nothing. Like, it's fine. I'm not like tripping or anything. It's just like when you lose like this, it's always confusing because you don't know what you did wrong, right? Like, this to me was a good setup. I would have taken this again. And if I pull up both right here, NASDAQ is kind of consolidating up here. It's just starting to look a little choppy. It's starting to look like it lost momentum because it just right at market open, just instantly bull run. So when you see this kind of motion out here, and then I see ES take a low and then come up for a bit of a retracement, I'm kind of game to take some shorts, but it doesn't always play out. So on that note, we can just call it for today. It was a small loss, low risk on a Monday morning, and I'm glad that it played out. Even though it was a loss, I'm still so grateful for the opportunity. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate you, S&P. Good looks on the opportunity to take a trade on your shit. But then let's come over to here to where the more important shit is. You know what I'm saying? These. Wow. These are all the stocks that I'm looking at right now. All of these have something to do with AI, right? This one is probably, I'm waiting on an entry for this. I'm gonna be completely real. Why does it look like that? What the fucky? I would love to see a fucking entry, like a. The thing is, will we ever even get one, to be honest? I mean, this is probably the best entry you could get right here. I don't think we're gonna go any lower. Like, what do you think we're gonna take out lows down here? Like, I don't know. $750 a unit though is pretty fucking high. I would maybe like a stock split or something. Something where I could get this, because if they do a stock split, then it could be $100, and then I could buy a couple. But right now, 750 is a fucking way overbought price. But it is a solid company. Axon is the company that makes all the body cams for cops, and then they have AI software that's pretty much just designed to take a workload off of police officers. So this is a big one that I'm looking into right now. CRM right here, Salesforce. This is a back-end AI software for businesses that helps with customer service and stuff like that. When you go onto a website and you see the little chat bot down here, it says like, ask us if you need anything or something like that, like tell us about your day or something. It's a little AI thing. It's 9 times out of 10 sponsored by Salesforce. And then we got Adobe over here. This is a good entry on Adobe, low key. This shit looks like a pump and dump chart. Holy fuck. No bueno. No bueno. SharpLink Gaming. This one also looks like a pump and dump chart. Holy fucking shit. Why was the price at $11,000? Listed on the NASDAQ at oh no, this is market cap, right? Is it? Bro, what the fuck? $6,313. Jesus, bro. What the fucky? I'll short this. Oh my god. What even is this company? Hold up. Right? SharpLink Gaming. SharpLink Gaming, a Minneapolis-based fan engagement and iGaming performance firm, emerged as one of the largest ETH corporate holders in the world. Currently holds 208,706 ETH. Oh my god. That's a lot. What do they do? And why is it a gaming company? This looks like a big fucking scam. What do you do? It's just telling me that they store ETH. Treasury strategy centered on ETH, which will serve as SharpLink's primary treasury reserve asset in adopting its new treasury policy. So you just store ETH. SharpLink intends to provide investors with economic exposure to ETH and advocate for its role as digital capital. Sportsbook. Okay. So it's some fucking gambling shit. Look at these lizards. This is AI. That's AI. Who the fuck is Doty? Dude, there's not one fine shit on this fucking thing. Co-founder, CEO, and board member. Alright, this looks like a lizard right here. Hold up. Sports tech godfather in the Twin Cities. Fantasy Football Weekly. So he's a gambling guy. Alright. Maybe he's not a lizard. Still though. For a fucking stock to be at $27,000, $25,000 is ridiculous. Absolutely not. Get that one out. I'm filtering that out. So I asked ChatGPT to make me a list of every single stock that even smells like AI at the smallest. And this is the list that it gave me. So is this Intel? Obviously got some Intel. I could load up on Intel right now. This is a low price. Holy fuck. I'll actually buy this shit right now. RGTI. What's this one? Rigetti Computing. Italian owned, I'm assuming. Quantum computing. The one I really, really actually am caring about right now is TSM. This is the company that provides all the microchips for NVIDIA. So look, NVIDIA, Apple, AMD, Broadcom, and Intel. Did I buy one of these? I think I did. Let me read you guys. I'm not gonna show you this, but I will tell you. Just because I'm scared of like my information getting taken and shit. Okay, this is their portfolio right now. Percentage of, should I do percentage of account? Okay. So 46% of my account is NVIDIA. 3% of my account is in Rivian. 15% of my account is in AMD. 11% is in Shopify. 4% is in SMCI. 4% is in Google. 3% is in Palantir. 4% is in IBM. 5% is in Meta. Now, I kinda want to get rid of Lucid and Rivian just because I fucking am down all time on both of them. And Rivian fucking sucks as a stock, bro. Rivian stock is an asshole. And they're probably just gonna get bought by Tesla. So I'm thinking I sell my position on Rivian and buy some of this. Maybe. Should I do this? Am I gonna regret it? What's Rivian at right now? $13. Cost basis. I'm down $26. Whatever, dude. I'm not gonna be a millionaire off of Rivian, am I? Alright, I just sold Rivian. Now we're buying TSM. Let me get two of them bitches. Order type, market, review, action, buy. Alright, I just bought two of them. Two of them bitches. Alright, so now 3.89% of my position is TSM as well. So the portfolio is looking pretty solid. Currently have 7,348 liquid in there. And I'm up 5,113. So I originally started with about $2,230. Alright, something like that. Let me do the math on here. 7,348 minus 5,113. $2,235. That was my original investment, and I'm up to 7,000. So I did, however, use this thing called cash. Can I just show this? Am I allowed? Am I gonna get fucked? Is there anything you can see on here that would fuck me? Alright, I'm just gonna bring it. Fuck it. Here's the position, y'all. So total market value is $12,000. 7,348 is how much is in my actual account that I can pull out right now, get cash if I sold everything. Because I pretty much like in leveraging with the money that I have in here. So right? Is it a Schwab brokerage accounts include a cash feature that earns income on uninvested cash. This cash is available immediately for use or to make an investment without the need to transfer money or liquidate a current position. The specific cash feature available for your account generally depends on the type of account you have at Schwab. So yeah, it's basically like borrowing, kind of against your own position, and then they keep their end, you keep your end. So you can make a profit without having to, sell a position, which is pretty dope. But yeah, look at that. Total gain loss 5,000. Yeah, that's all I got to show you. I love you. Ciao.